Imagine if you could use artificial intelligence to create content, run a business, or even earn passive income while you sleep. Right now, AI is changing the way people work online, and those who learn how to use it quickly are finding incredible opportunities. The best part? You don't need to be a tech genius or spend thousands of dollars to get started. In today's video, I'll show you exactly what AI is, the best free tools to learn fast, and how you can turn AI into a real money-making machine in 2025. Stick with me until the end, because I'll also share a step-by-step way to start your own AI-powered business today. Part 1. What is AI and why you need it to make money fast? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is simply when machines or software can perform tasks that usually require human intelligence. Think about writing, designing, analyzing data, or even talking with customers. AI tools like ChatGPT, MidJourney, and automation software are already being used by millions of people to save time, boost productivity, and generate income. Why does AI matter for making money? Because it's a massive time multiplier. Instead of spending 5 hours writing an article, you can have AI draft one in minutes. Instead of paying thousands to a graphic designer, you can generate custom artwork instantly. And instead of learning coding for years, you can use AI to build apps or websites much faster. For beginners, the key thing to understand is this: AI is not here to replace you. It's here to help you. If you know how to use it smartly, you can stand out in the digital economy and make money in ways most people aren't even aware of yet. Part 2. Best free AI tools to learn fast. Now that you know why AI is powerful, let's talk about the tools you need. The best part is, most of these are free, or have free versions you can start with today. ChatGPT by OpenAI. This is the ultimate beginner-friendly AI. You can use it to write articles, brainstorm ideas, create YouTube scripts, write social media posts, or even plan out business strategies. If you learn how to prompt it properly, ChatGPT can save you countless hours. Canva AI. Canva has built-in AI tools like Magic Write and AI image generation. You can use it for creating social media content, YouTube thumbnails, logos, or even entire presentations. For anyone starting a business, Canva is a must-have. MidJourney for AI art. If you want to create digital art, product images, or even NFTs, MidJourney is an incredible tool. You type in a prompt, and it creates unique, high-quality artwork. Many people are already selling MidJourney art on Etsy, Fiverr, and other platforms. Pictory.ai, AI video creator. This tool can take a simple script or blog post and turn it into a full video automatically. It adds stock footage, background music, and voiceovers. Perfect if you want to start a YouTube channel without showing your face. ElevenLabs AI voice generator. Want to create realistic voiceovers without recording yourself? ElevenLabs generates human-like voices in different tones and languages. Combine this with Pictory, and you can build a faceless YouTube channel fast. Durable AI website builder. If you've ever wanted to launch a website but don't know how, Durable can build one for you in less than a minute using AI. From landing pages to full business websites, this tool removes the need for expensive developers. Notion AI for organization and productivity. Notion AI helps summarize notes, plan projects, and organize your workflow. It's especially useful if you're managing multiple side hustles at once. The point here is not to overwhelm yourself, but to pick one or two tools and learn them well. Once you master a couple, you'll see how easy it is to expand into others. Part 3. How to use AI to make money. So how you turn these tools into income. Let's break it down into real practical ways. Freelancing with AI. If you are a freelancer on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr, AI can help you deliver projects faster. For example, you can use ChatGPT blog posts, Canva AI for designs, or MidJourney for illustrations. Clients don't care how you make the work, as long as it's high quality. This means you can complete more projects and earn more money. Selling digital products. You can use AI to create ebooks, templates, stock photos, or even online courses. For example, write an ebook with ChatGPT, design it with Canva, and sell it on Gumroad or Amazon Kindle. The best part, digital products are passive income. Once they're created, they can keep selling without much extra work. YouTube automation, cash cow channels. AI makes running a faceless YouTube channel easier than ever. Here's how. Use ChatGPT to write scripts, Pictory or InVideo to create the video, and ElevenLabs to add a voiceover. Then upload it with a thumbnail from Canva. Many people are building channels in niches like finance, health, and technology that generate thousands in ad revenue every month. Starting an AI-powered business. AI isn't just for side hustles. You can build entire businesses around it. For example, social media management with AI scheduling and content creation. AI-powered web design services. Copywriting businesses where AI drafts sales pages and ads. Online tutoring with AI-assisted lesson planning. Affiliate marketing with AI. You can use AI to generate blog posts, product reviews, and social media content that promote affiliate links. The more content you create, the more chances you have to earn commissions. Consulting and teaching AI. Here's a big one. Most people still don't know how to use AI effectively. If you learn and get good at it, you can teach others. Create courses, coaching sessions, or YouTube tutorials about AI. As AI grows, this knowledge will become even more valuable. The bottom line is this. AI is like having a team of assistants working for you 24/7. If you combine it with a smart business model, you can create multiple income streams in 2025. Part 4. Want to go deeper? If you're serious about mastering AI, don't stop at the basics. The next step is learning how to combine tools. For example, use ChatGPT to write a script, Pictory to make a video, ElevenLabs for voiceover, Canva for thumbnail, upload to YouTube. That's a full business workflow, all powered by AI. Or use MidJourney for product designs, Canva for formatting, Etsy to sell products. The key is not just knowing the tools, but knowing how to use them together. That's what separates casual users from people who make money with AI. Part 5. If you want a full guide. If you want a step-by-step guide to starting your AI journey, here's what you should do. Pick one skill or niche you're interested in: writing, design, video, or business. Choose one AI tool that fits that niche and master it. Create a small project, maybe a YouTube video, an ebook, or a website. Put it out into the world and test if people are interested. Scale up by automating, outsourcing, or adding more AI tools. AI is not a get-rich-quick scheme, but it is the fastest way to multiply your efforts online. AI is not just the future. It's happening right now. The people who learn it today will have the biggest advantage tomorrow. Whether you want a side hustle, passive income, or even to start a full online business, AI gives you the tools to make it happen. So, start small, experiment with the free tools I mentioned, and grow from there. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more content on AI and online business. Your AI journey starts today. The question is, are you ready to take action?